Exact northwest position locked. Original 15 plus 8 new workers in yellow helmets. Same 120-foot locked position continuing. 23 workers now in 3 distinct groups. Identical northwest hover maintained. Maximum 35 workers beside roofing crew on house structure. Pool gunite truck in same
Exterior finishes. Specialized crews.
Locked northwest position continuing. Specialized 12-person glass crew. Crane in same position lifting panels.
Identical 120-foot position maintained. Crew reduced to 20 specialists. Pool filling with visible color change.
Same 60-foot overhead position. Roof trusses creating triangular patterns. Workers walking on top plates.
All right, that's good. All right, that's good. We're almost there.